If you are wondering if the 925 sterling silver jewelry sold by AliExpress is genuine or not, let's dive in as I plan to check few authentic 925 claimed jewelry sold by AliExpress bought at a dirt cheap price. To testing, I bought this kit from Amazon. It can test gold, but for this video, we are only focusing on silver testing. All the links are in the description. None of this is affiliate links, but appreciate your likes. In this kit, this bottle is what we need to test silver, and this is the pad which will be used to scratch silver content. Before we start, make sure you wear the gloves so the liquid does not touch your fingers. Let's look at the product we'll be testing today. First product is a genuine silver coin, which I bought it. So this will be our baseline to see what is genuine and what is not. Second is this ring, Amethyst ring with 925 authentic silver, and ring looks very good. You can see how good it's looking. Third item we'll test is this bracelet. It's the latest design, really good looking, and frankly, in the hand, the product looks really good. And it does claim to be authentic 925 silver. Now this fourth jewelry you're looking at it, this is a very nice set, and well, it's dirt cheap, and it's not claiming to be 925 silver. So probably we'll use this as, the fake silver to test out. Fifth item is the charm. I bought it from AliExpress, and that charm is almost, such a small product is almost $3. Now let's put a drop of silver testing solution on each one of these scratched lines. First product was the coin, and it does look genuine. No issues so far. Red is pretty much visible. So this is genuine product as expected. Second one is the ring, and we can clearly see there is no red here. So this is fake 925 claimed silver jewelry. Now third one is this bracelet. It failed the test. I'm kind of surprised. So we're gonna do another invasive testing in a bit to make sure this is really fake or not. Fourth one is just a lookalike, so no surprise here. The fifth one, the charm does show some red tint, so that does seem genuine. Now let's do next level of testing on the bracelet, which on the back side of the bracelet is kind of safe for us to put some liquid on it, as putting liquid on jewelry is going to damage it a bit, so make sure you do it carefully. Seems like a fake product to me. Let's put a drop on the coin, and you can see how quickly it turned red, and that confirms that this is silver. So after this, I also tested this jewelry also, which I bought it. Now, to be frank, these jewelries look really great. But they are not genuine for sure. And this one turned out to be fake as well. So to summarize, out of the four jewelry which is claimed to be authentic 925 silver, turned out to be fake. Only one of them is genuine, which is very small in the size. So that suggests that maybe the smaller charms are genuine, but rest of the stuff you can't be sure. This is not an affiliate product review. I paid from my own pocket. If this content was useful to you, please like it. And you like to see video like these, please subscribe it and share with your friends. Appreciate you watching.